Hi guys, I am back with a new video. So let's see what we have built in Electron app. Okay, so in last video we have created this application using Electron, and in this application we only just mention the version of the packages we are using: Node, Chromium, and Electron. Okay, so right now we do not have any any option here. These are the default menus which came from the Electron. So today I am going to create our own menu, and it will be listed here. Okay, so let's get started. To create a menu, we first have to go in a main.js file, and we have to import menu and menu item. Okay, so these are the two things which I have imported from Electron itself. Okay, so in Mac and Windows have different kinds of menus and its handling, so we have to identify which operating system we are using. So just to make everything okay, like here you can see we have created this one. Okay, so instead of checking this everywhere, I'm going to create one more variable which will store. Copy this, and I'm just going to create const is Mac OS, and just paste here. Okay. So it will store if process.platform not equals to Darwin, agar equals to Darwin, okay, is Mac OS. Okay, I'm also going to increase the width and height of our application. I'm just going to make it 1000, and it should be a 800. Okay, and I'm going to create a menu which will only be for Mac OS. So I'm just going to check if, let me extra menu, and this will be is Mac OS. If Mac OS, then something, if not, then something. Okay, so in case of Mac OS, I'm going to add label, and this will be the app.name. Okay, so what is the name of our application which we have given? It will be shown here. Okay, so and submenu will be again an array, and this will there are different kinds of option here. Okay, role, and this role will be about. Okay, and one more option, that type will be a separator, and one more submenu, and again it will be a role will be a help. Okay, so they already have defined, Electron already have defined some kind of role. If you give the role, and on the basis of that it will create an option related to that. Okay, so let me, okay, so now we have created our menu which is only for Mac OS. Now we have to bind this with our application. Okay, so first of all I'm going to use create menu, and I'm going to use menu, and I'm going to create menu using a template. Okay, so there is a method called build from template. Okay, and this template method receive and template option. So we also have to create one more template. So const template. Okay, and I can directly use extra menu, but I want to add more menus that will be for Windows and Mac OS both. So that's why I'm going to create this template, and this template will be as similar to this extra menu. So first of all I'm going to add this option, extra menu. Okay, and I'm just going to use this template right here. Okay, so now we have created our menu. The next thing, we have to add this menu into our application. Okay, so menu dot set application menu, and we are going to pass this here. Okay, and here I'm going to change the logic here. I'm going to use not macOS. Okay, and they look similar. I'm just going to remove this console.log, and I'm going to add one more thing here. app.on activate if browser window dot get all windows dot length equals to 0, so let me run this application and let's see what happened. Okay, now you can see we have Electron. In Electron we have about, sample, React app, and it will be a help. Okay, option which you have given here, about, separator, and then help. About, then separator and help. In case of help we do not have anything, so it will not show. Let me check about simple apps. So this is showing the Electron and the version of the application. Okay, now it's time to add menus option here. So in this template menu, I'm just going to add some more menu. So this will be a label, and this will be the menu, first menu option, file, and this menu will have a sub menu, and this sub menu will have two sub menus. First will be label as a new, and the second one will be a label save. Okay, and let's see. Here you can see we have a file, new and save, but nothing will happen because we do not have given anything related to this. So let's close this one, and I'm going to add some more option here. In case of label, I'm going to add accelerator. So accelerator is like a key binding, and in case of Mac OS, if it is a Mac OS, then it will be a command plus N, and in case of Windows or Ubuntu, it will be a control plus N. And similarly, I'm going to just copy this one from here and paste it here, and this will be a command plus S, and this will be a control S. Okay, so normally we have in case of our all the editors. Okay, so you can see new file, and to save we have command S. Okay, so let's see. Yes, here you can see a new command and save for command S. I do not have a Windows laptop, so I cannot show how it looks on Windows, but later we will export this code, and we will create a build of this application, and then we will see it on Windows as well. Okay, then we'll see how it looks on Windows. Okay, that's it guys for this video. In next video we will implement the functionality of this command N and command S. In case of command N, we will open a file selector, and it will select a file. So basically I will select image file, and in case of command S, it will save that file into our file system. Okay, so stay tuned, see you in next video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.